Welcome to Business Management and Research Channel. Today's topic is what is compensation management in human resource management? Compensation management isn't just about paychecks. It's a comprehensive approach to valuing employees for their contributions. From base salaries to benefits, the components collectively form a crucial aspect of an employee's relationship with the organization. Here are the key components and examples. Number one, job analysis and evaluation. Assessing and determining the relative value of different jobs within an organization is called job analysis and evaluation. Think of a software development company. Job analysis might reveal that a senior software engineer leading a team has a higher value than a junior developer. Job evaluation establishes distinct salary ranges for these roles. Number two, market research. Examining external labor markets to understand competitive salary levels for specific roles. Picture a retail giant. Through market research, they identify the average salary for store managers in their industry. Armed with this data, they can offer competitive compensation to attract experienced managers. Number three, salary structure design. Creating a framework that organizes and defines salary levels based on factors such as job roles, experience, and responsibilities. Consider an engineering firm. They establish a salary structure with different pay grades for engineers. Those with more experience and leadership responsibilities fall into higher pay grade. Number four, incentive programs. Systems that reward employees for achieving specific performance goals or targets is called incentive program. Example: in a sales organization, commission based incentives are common. Sales representatives receive a percentage of the sales revenue they generate, directly tying their efforts to financial rewards. Number five, benefits administration. Managing and providing employee benefits beyond base salary, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and vacation time, what we say is benefit administration. Imagine a financial services company offering a comprehensive benefit package, including health coverage, retirement plan, and paid off, contributing to overall compensation and well being of the employees. Number six, legal compliance. Ensuring that compensation practices comply to relevant labor laws and regulations. Think of a manufacturing company. Regular reviews and adjustments are made to salaries to comply with changes in minimum wage laws, preventing legal issues and maintaining fair employment practices. Number seven, communication and transparency. Openly sharing information with employees about the organization's compensation philosophy, policies, and practices. For example, an IT company fosters transparency by communicating to employees how salary decisions are made, including factors such as performance, market trends, and internal equity. Number eight, performance management integration. Definition: linking employee performance assessments to compensation decisions, such as salary increases or bonuses. A consulting firm ties annual bonuses to individual and team performance evaluations. High performing employees receive larger bonuses as a reward for their contributions. Budgeting. Allocating financial resources to cover the costs of employee compensation within the organization's budget constraints. For example, consider a non-profit organization. They carefully budget for competitive salaries to attract skilled professionals while adhering to financial limitations inherent in the non-profit sector. Number 10, employee education. Providing employees with information and resources to help them understand the components of their total compensation package is called employee education. An energy company conducts workshops to educate employees on the various elements of their compensation, including base salary, bonuses, and benefits, fostering awareness and appreciation. In conclusion, compensation management is an intricate dance of balancing internal equity, external competitiveness, and legal compliance. By strategically managing compensation, organizations can not only attract top talent but also foster a motivated and engaged workforce. As HR professionals, our role in this process is pivotal to the success and sustainability of our organization. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Best of luck.